Yo, Mr. Aguilar, what we gonna do today?
Today, Bubba, we're gonna learn about proving triangles congruent. All right.
Okay.
So we're gonna need three things at first, right? We're gonna need three pieces, and in the right order. And the second thing we're gonna need is to pick your rule, your appropriate rule that we've been talking about, your theorems, side, side, angle, etc. And the third thing is your CPC TC statement. So let's go ahead and get started with this. We're gonna do, first of all, look at our given. So what's our given? Our given is, it's written over here. HK, side HK is congruent to side KT. So then we write that. Well, first of all, we mark it. HK congruent to KT. We put a little congruent sign. Now we write it over here. HK congruent KT. Okay, and that's our given. Okay, so every time we put one of these little congruent signs, we put an S here, because this is a side. So you mark your side. That's one of the pieces that you need, one of the three pieces. It also tells us that side HS is congruent to side ST. So then you come over here and you say HS congruent to ST, and you mark it. That's two sides we have now. So then you mark the little S here, and an S here. Okay. Now we say HS congruent side ST.
Mr. Aguilar, I have a question.
Yes. Go ahead.
How do I know that HK is congruent to KT and HS is congruent to ST?
Well, you know that, Pancracio, because it tells you right here. That's a given. That's a given. Okay?
So anytime it's given, I write the HK is congruent to KT on the left, and then just given if it's right next to the words given.
Yep. And you put it right here. The given, and that goes on the right. The given.
Okay.
Okay, so the second thing we need now is we need one more side, right? Or one more piece. We have two sides in our piece already, right? So we need three. That's what I said in the beginning. We need three pieces. So our third piece is this side right here. What is this side? By the reflexive property, we know that they share this side. So this side SK, it's congruent to itself. And how do we know this? Well, we know by the reflexive property that we had talked about before.
Yo, Mr. Aguilar, I got a question.
What's that, Bubba?
What does reflexive mean?
Reflexive means that since these two triangles share this side, the side is congruent to itself. So as you can see here, SK is congruent to SK.
Okay.
Good question. Okay, so now we're going to the third step. Okay, prove by one of the rules that you're given what rule can you use to prove that this is a congruent triangle? So now we got to pick our rule. Well, we have three sides here, right guys? We have three sides. So now we can say by side, these are congruent. Side, side, side. These two triangles are congruent. So we say side, side, side.
Which two triangles are congruent?
The triangles S, H, K is congruent with triangle S, T, K. Okay? And so now our last part, from our three parts that we needed, we're going to say that, we're going to repeat this statement on the bottom. We're going to say triangle SHK is congruent, again, triangle STK. And we're going to write our C PCTC statement here. And you're done.
I think that